It took just a few seconds for 24-year-old Ismail Sheikh Ibrahim's dream project to turn into a tragic accident that killed him. For 2 years, the school dropout had been working on a project to design his own helicopter. He had even named his prototype as Munna Helicopter, Munna being his nickname. He had planned to fly the makeshift chopper on Independence Day in front of residents of his Fulsawangi village in Maharashtra's Yavatmal district. Ismail decided to test fly the machine one last time on the night of August 10. Even as his friends were recording a video, the tail rotor blade assembly got ripped off and hit the main blades on the top. A part of the blade broke and spun into the cabin, slashing Ismail's neck. He died before any medical help could be provided. Ismail was passionate about flying. During the day, he worked in his brother's welding shop to make a living and would work at night in his workshop to design his makeshift helicopter. Little did he know that his passion would take his life away. A Times online report.